guys, today I'm going to do a Mini Cooper. It's a Thermostat. It's a 2004 Mini Cooper. So what we're going to do is, guys, you have to take this boy right here out. You have to take the battery out. You have to take this connector from here, take this out. You have to disconnect this from here, and then we disconnect this from here, and we have to take this one too from down here. Take out this connector from here. Our thermostat, guys, is down right there. Yeah, it's down right there. So when we take this out from here, this comes out. Okay, come next, you take a 10mm from here, guys. So 10mm, take it out. You take an 8mm from here, and then once that is done, guys, you pull this guy right out. Put in mind there's something protecting from here, so we just push it and then comes out. Make sure the edges do not turn here to the mount. So once that is done, guys, what we do next, this is our thermostat right here. This is right here, guys. This thermostat is one ball right here. There is a ball right there, one ball right here, and then another ball there. So I have to take this thing out, guys, and then after that, okay, I have to disconnect the battery. Guys. I have to get it out of the way. And then once that is done, guys, we'll have enough space to work on the thermostat right from here. You can see there's a ball right there, guys. The ball one there, and then there's another one there. Okay, let me remove the battery. I show you guys what next after this. Okay, guys, right here we have our thermostat. There's a cooler start for the Mini Coupe. Okay, guys, also you disconnect this right here from here. I disconnect the ground wire from here, so this ground wire have to come out, and then you loosen this thing. You disconnect this right from here. Disconnect, guys, from here right here. It gives you access. You pull them on the side. Will give you enough access, guys, to access there. You disconnect this too from here. You disconnect the battery from there. You take it out, and then you take out the 10mm board down there for both sides. Then you can take out this reservoir thing. Then, guys, you take out the 10mm right here, and then the 10mm right inside there. And then from there, guys, as a 10mm, and you take out the other one. And from there, guys, can take this right away. You take out the computer and put in a safe place. Then, guys, you can take out this from right here, this box right here. You can take it out. So, guys, now gives you enough space to access it from here, as you see. So, guys, when you take this apart like this, Alright guys, so the rest of the information, the rest of the stuff, the battery, you do them in reverse, and then once you're done guys, you add your coolant, and then you'll be able to test your car and see if your thermostat is working. Okay, eventually make sure you put the coolant in to compensate the one which went out, and then you should be good to go, and then you can crank it out guys and see what happens next, and then you can see if everything is alright. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you start the car and make sure there's no leaking coolant, no leaks. Once you verify that there, be able to tell it should be good to go, and yeah, guys, good to go.